Today I'm going to share with you a Brigadeiro recipe. It's really famous in Brazil. So to start, I'm going to share with you the ingredients we will need for this. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 80 grams of milk chocolate, 60 grams of dark chocolate, around 20-25 milliliters of table cream, around 100 grams of sprinkles, of chocolate sprinkles, 25 baking cups, because one of this recipe, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk will give us around 25 brigadeiros. And now let's go to the recipe. Put everything in a small pot. Turn on the stove in medium heat. Start mixing everything without stopping it. Once it starts to get thicker, you need to reduce the heat a little bit and keep mixing it. So to check if it's ready, you take a little bit of the spoon and turn it. It's not ready yet because it's coming a lot at the same time and it's not thick enough. It's kind of a little bit liquid yet. Now that it's ready, mix it a little bit and transfer it to a tray. Let it cool down naturally, and it can take around 2 hours to cool it down. Once it's ready, you can separate a container with water, another plate where you are going to put the sprinkles. So now we are going to make the little balls. You're going to put a little bit of water in your hands and take a little bit of the brigadeiro with the spoon and make a ball with your hands. Then put it in the sprinkles and move it to stay all covered with sprinkles. You want to make sure everything is covered. And then you just need to put in the small baking cups and it's ready.